Are you dreaming of starting your own business but don't have the money to buy inventory? Imagine earning money while you sleep. Sounds incredible, right? That's exactly what dropshipping offers. With dropshipping, you can create an online store without worrying about holding stock or managing deliveries. It's one of the easiest and most scalable ways to start an online business. But how do you get started and make it successful? Stick with me because in this video I'm going to break it all down step by step. The first step is finding your niche. A niche is a specific market segment or category that you want to focus on. Avoid going too broad, like selling everything. Instead, go for something specific, such as eco-friendly kitchenware, fitness accessories, or pet grooming products. Use tools like Shopify's Product Trend Finder or Google Trends to identify what's hot and trending in the market right now. Shopify even offers a free trial to get started. Link in the description. Step 2. Find a reliable supplier. Once you've decided on a niche, the next step is finding a supplier who can provide high-quality products at competitive prices. Reliable suppliers are critical because their service affects your reputation. One of the best platforms for this is AliExpress, which connects you with thousands of suppliers worldwide. You can also use tools like Spocket or Zendrop to source premium products with faster shipping times. These platforms let you filter by region, so you can target local markets for quicker delivery. Step 3. Set up your online store. Now that you've found your niche and supplier, it's time to set up your online store. The easiest way to do this is by using Shopify. It's beginner-friendly and packed with tools to design, launch, and manage your store seamlessly. Plus, they offer free templates, so you don't need to be a designer or coder. Get started with Shopify using my affiliate link below and enjoy a free trial to explore all its features. Step 4. Optimize your product listings. Your product listings are the backbone of your store. Make them irresistible by using high-quality images, detailed descriptions, and competitive pricing. Remember, first impressions matter. 1. Write compelling product descriptions that highlight benefits, not just features. 2. Use tools like Canva to create professional product images. 3. Price your items competitively using apps like Oberlo Profit Calculator. Step 5. Drive traffic to your store. Great, your store is up and running, but now you need customers. Here are 3 proven ways to drive traffic to your dropshipping store. 1. Social media marketing. Create engaging posts on Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest. Use tools like Later for scheduling posts. 2. Influencer marketing. Partner with micro-influencers in your niche for affordable promotions. 3. Paid ads. Start with Facebook or Google ads to get quick visibility. Platforms like AdEspresso can help simplify ad management. Links to these tools are in the description. Be sure to check them out. Step 6. Manage and scale your business. Once you start making sales, it's time to manage your store effectively and think about scaling. Use analytics tools like Google Analytics or Shopify's built-in dashboard to track performance. You'll want to analyze which products sell the best, who your customers are, and how you can increase your profit margins. Add more trending products to your store. Expand your reach by targeting international markets. Automate your operations using tools like Zapier to save time. And that's it! Those are the key steps to launching a successful online dropshipping store. To recap, find a profitable niche, partner with reliable suppliers, build a professional store, and focus on driving traffic. With patience, consistency, and the right tools, you can create a sustainable income stream from anywhere in the world. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more business tips and tutorials. Check the description for all the affiliate tools mentioned in this video and start building your dream dropshipping business today.